Hey, what's up, guys? Happy New Year, bro. I just want to show you guys. I was a little surprised at this. I knew I had a high win rate, but I found out how to see it on the Hanko trade on the trading platform. So I want to share it with you guys. And I've been showing you guys. I've been kind of like hinting that I don't use a stop loss, and some people think I'm crazy. I'm even a little self-conscious sometimes about posting it, but I mean, I'm going to show you the results going back a year. Okay, and my win rate. And yeah, let me just sign in. I want to sign in here so you guys see that this is a real account. Okay. Hold on a sec. Okay, I'm going to my back office now, a Hanko trade. I've been using Hanko Trade now for like a year and a half. I opened this account. I only have one account, guys, right now. And it's this account, and it's a live account. So I'm going to go to trading terminals. Okay, you see here, Hanko X Live. Okay, here's the demo one. Here's the live one. I might have to sign in again. I'm not sure. Nope, I went right to it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you up here. I think that's where it was. P&L. Yeah, you see it here? Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. You see here it says performance, profitability. Okay, trades one. Oh, hold on a second. Let me go to 1 year. Let me make sure I'm on 1 year. I went to 5 year. Let me show you. All right, that's 6 months. So here's 1 year. Let me close this again. Okay, I'm on 1 year now. I went to 5 year, and it didn't do anything because I haven't been on the platform 5 years, so it didn't change anything. See, I'm clicking on it, and nothing's changed. Let me go to 1 year. It should refresh again. It should be the same. All right, now you can see this is my growth, right? The green line as I'm trading during the year. This is drawdown. I was in a lot of drawdown here. You can actually see the amount of the account growing, just constantly growing. Okay, I started this account with $890 about, I don't know, it's like more than a year and a half ago. It's not 2 years yet, but it's more than a year and a half ago on this account. Okay, look how many trades I took this year, man. 2,704. Look at my win percentage. 96.36%. Trades lost 102. Guys, if you could show me someone else that can go back here and show you they got a 96% win rate, I mean, I'd be shocked, man. I'd be shocked. You can see here I withdrew a little money. Okay, it says opening balance 5,000. So that's just for this year. So when this year started, I have 5,000. Let me see. I withdrew 850 so far. So I withdrew almost what I put in. Remember a couple weeks ago, if you guys are in the Facebook group, like 2 months ago, I did a little test withdrawal. Okay, that's what that is. And I withdrew that while I was in drawdown. Not a lot of drawdown as I remember, though, but just a little drawdown. But a lot of guys, I've been with brokers before. They wouldn't even let you take a withdrawal while trades were open. That's a pain in the neck, you know. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you this, man. If your guru isn't trading live, all right, they're probably full of crap, man. I hate to say that, you know, because I don't know. Maybe some of them are good. Who knows, you know, but if they can't show you their back office with a 96% win rate, then, you know, what are we doing here, man? But anyway, this year, man, I'm going to start trading again on the 6th. I'm going live again. And if you guys have any questions about this, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I mean, you can see it right here. This is the year. It's the whole year. Oh, let me show you this profitability. These are the trades I took. So this shows you. Look at Euro USD. All right, you can see here, right? This is the trade, win, and loss. I took one trade on AUD CAD the whole year. and I won it, right? So this goes through each pair. How many trades? AUD, USD, 4 wins, 3 losses. CHF, JPY, 5 wins, no losses out of 5 trades. 2 trades, 2 wins, no losses. You can see the only one I seen here that had me messed up, man, was Euro USD, man. Look at Euro. This one, I don't trade this thing no more. Look, 7 trades, 4 wins, 3 losses. Still winning percentage, but that's the worst one. 9 wins, no losses on G odd. Where's GB? Here's GJ. GJ. I took 22 trades, 20 wins, 2 losses. Where's US 30? US 30. Right? 133 trades, 127 wins. Look at that, guys. Is that crazy or what, man? 6 losses. Come on, man. Come on now. US oil. I was trading oil a lot in the beginning of the year, but then I kind of like just drifted away from it. I should get back to it because I had 60 out of 73 trades. I had 68 wins, 5 losses. I just started focusing more on NAS. How about gold? XAU USD. 247 trades, 239 wins, 8 losses. What about NAS? Where's NAS? I missed NAS, didn't I? NAS, 483 trades. NAS is my favorite, man. 470 wins, 13 losses. Is that crazy, bro? Look at that. Wins, losses, trades, wins, losses. But anyway, guys, I just want to make a quick video, man. I wanted to, wish you guys a happy new year, man. God bless you guys, man. I hope you have a great year. What are my goals for the year? My goals are to try to help a lot of people, and I want to be the biggest contributor to my church, man. I want to be the person that donates the most money to my church this year. Those are my goals. And I believe if those are our goals, man, that everything's going to come to us. Everything we want is going to come to us. I don't care about Lambos, man. My kids are grown. I'm an older guy. I've been retired 10 years. I wish I would have known about this trading. I only found out about this like 5-6 years ago, man, or 5 years ago, man, when I got divorced, man. I started looking online. And I was like, man, people, you could do this at home, man. I was amazed, man. Anyway, man, happy new year, guys. And come on live with me, man. We'll trade a little bit. And I'm going to I want to set something up better because I don't like to sit on the live all day. I'm a little conscious about it. First of all, I'm not very technical. You guys can tell. And I don't like staying on the live for sitting on a live stream for 3 hours like some of these guys. I try to pick a quick trade. So I'm going to set up something like, I don't know, man. I got to figure something out. I got to make another platform that I could just come in there quick, tell you guys, oh, guys, I'm buying this, blah, blah, blah. Right now I'm doing it on Facebook. So get in the Facebook group. I'll put the link below. But maybe I'll do it on Discord or something like that, And with that, guys, thank you, man. I'll see you on the 6th, man. We're going live on the 6th again. Guys, thanks for you guys that are following me, man, and been with me. I appreciate it. And let's get this money this year. This is going to be our year, man. This is our year, bro. All right? You see the win rate. This is not baloney. If anyone's got any questions about this, man, or if there's a better way I could show this, like I said, I'm not very technical. I stumbled onto this. Let me know, man. Let me know, man. I'm open to all suggestions or criticisms. Anyway, guys, thank you, man. I'll see you later, man. Peace out, guys. Happy New Year. All right, guys. Cheers, man.